Welcome to Josh's Green Garage. In this video, I am going to do an air filter change on this John Deere E100 series lawn tractor. So this is a really simple job, quick job. It's something that needs to be done yearly. More if you're in a very dusty environment or dry environment, anything like that. So let's get into it. First, we're going to open up the hood, and then this is the left side of the tractor. Under here is where our air filter is going to be. Now, in order to do this, of course, you're going to need an air filter. All right, now before I go over the part numbers for this maintenance, I want to point out that you may, dependent on the tractor that you have within the 100 series, have a different part number. So you always want to verify that you're using the correct part for the machine that you have. And an easy way to do that is to go here to the John Deere webpage. You can then click up here on parts and service, or just hover over it, and then go down to owner information. Click on that, and then you can come down here to select a category. You're going to hit that drop down and then select lawn tractors, and I don't know if you can see this part or not. And then for subcategory, we're going to hit the drop down there. And again, I don't know if you can see or not, but this is going to list a bunch of the different tractors. So you have all the different 100 series, you have 200 series, the select 300s, the select 500s, and the signature series 700s. So dependent on your prefix for the 100 series, whether it be D, E, L, L, A, no prefix, or S prefix, just select what you have. So in this case, I have an E series, so I'm going to pick E, click find, and then it brings up all the different model numbers under the E prefix. So I would be clicking here on this E100. Say you have an E140, click on E140. If you have an E180, click E180. It's going to bring up this screen for all of them. Then click on the little shopping cart here that says maintenance parts. And then this is going to show you everything that you need for maintenance parts for this lawn tractor. So fuel filter, air filter, pre-cleaner for that one, and then the cartridge itself. Some are only going to have a cartridge. If you ever needed a new key, spark plugs there, headlight bulb. And remember, these are all John Deere part numbers, so you might have to do a little work trying to find cross-references if you're wanting something else. And this page might look a little bit different too, depending on the tractor that you have. So if I go back to lawn tractors again, let's see here. And then if I do, say, the S prefix 100s, some of the models changed a little bit. You lose a model. There's no longer an S150 like there used to be. But if we click the 180 here, go to our maintenance parts, it's more of a little sheet like this, but you still have all the same information there. All the info's here. For your oil, it shows you the amount that you need, shows you the interval for changing it, all the information you need. So this is really helpful no matter what maintenance you're doing. So this is the air filter. You can get these at a John Deere dealer, as well as a place like Lowe's or Home Depot. They can be had there. The part number is GY21435 or MIU14395. If you look on the back, you can see it says there for E100, so it's pretty easy to identify if you're in the store. You can also use a Briggs & Stratton part number for this. That's who makes this engine. Deere doesn't make the engine. So if you're wanting to save some money, you can always go with a Briggs & Stratton. You could also, if you want, put in the work to try to find a cross-reference part number to another filter. So you could probably do this even cheaper. I prefer to always use John Deere stuff. The parts are made to their specifications. You know, even if Briggs is making it or whatever. I know cheaper companies may not use the best filter media or something like that. So I always use what they call for. If you have a machine that's under warranty, you don't necessarily have to use John Deere parts, but it would probably be in your best interest. And these things don't cost a whole heck of a lot, so it doesn't hurt to just buy the Deere one. So really easy. All we got to do to replace this is turn these two little knobs, and then this cover will come off. And you can see how dirty this one is. If you have big amounts of dirt or anything stuck in here, try to clean that off as best you can beforehand. You don't really want to blow in here with air, so in lieu of doing all that, I just carefully remove these out of here. So just pull up on that front side, pull this off carefully. Don't make any kind of quick action that's gonna kick up a lot of dust. And then I just take our cloth, or not cloth, a shop towel or whatever, clean off around this opening just to get any residual dust off there. Carefully, of course. Got some water in there from when I hose this thing down. And then take your new filter. Make sure it's all clean on this end. There's a little bit of just dust from manufacturing. Just kind of wipe that off and then just pop it on in. Just like so. That easy. This is a really easy task, and it's one of those things that will keep the performance of your engine from dying down. If these things get clogged up or anything like that, you're gonna have a definite power loss, so we don't want to do that. So just set that back on, turn them back to the lock position, and that is it for an air filter change. Super simple, super easy. One of those things, you know, if you're a homeowner, you know, new homeowner, and you're not really into this sort of thing, but you don't want to spend the money to take it somewhere and get it done, you know, that's what this is here for. Show you how easy it is to maintain your equipment. You know, you want to keep your lawn looking nice. You want to have, you know, a good piece of equipment that'll last you. You need to keep up on things like this. So I think that's all I got for this one, honestly. Like I said, air filter, really important. It's easy to neglect them. A lot of people think about spark plugs, maybe, definitely oil, but not everybody always thinks about the air filter. It is so easy on these machines though. You don't have to take anything off that may be in the way. You know, it's just that one single element. You know, like I said, you don't got to take any kind of like intake, you know, tubing or any of that out of the way. It's super easy under there. So one of those things, just do it. Keep your machine running for a long time. If you have any questions or anything like that, please let me know. I love getting comments. I love answering comments. So I really appreciate it. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.